So hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I caught these swing shots on GBP CHF. So yeah, so my name is Ian. I've been trading for about like 2 to 3 years. Yes, and started just like everyone, guys. Been doing prop farms, all of that shit. And now we're here making money. So I normally hear a lot of guys saying that these patterns don't work, but this triangular pattern here is what made me money. I don't know what it's called. Let me check. But when I see a pattern, immediately I recognize it because that's where I started learning forex from, trading and all of that. So this particular trade, I'm running in profits about $30,000 right now. I'm still waiting for take profit to be hit. Yeah, that's it. So let's see. That is a very good trade, guys. I don't know how many points this is, but it's a lot. I wish there was a way like YouTube could let us upload screenshots and whatever. But I'm new to this streaming thing, so you have to bear with me, guys. Trading patterns. Let me check. I think that's the name. I don't know what the name of this triangular pattern is, but let me check. Let me check for you guys. It's called a descending triangle. Yeah, that's a descending triangle. So I don't think anybody should. Everybody has their own way of trading, and as long as it's making money for you, I don't think people should be judging the way other people trade. So yeah. So today I want to look at some trades I already analyzed, but I want to show you guys. Let's see. I think it was GBP USD. GBP USD. Yeah. Let's look at GBP USD and see what is going on over here. So I know if you have already like started trading, I know people tell you like when you open the chart you should just zoom out first, go to the higher time frames, then as you continue analyzing you drop down to the lower time frames. So that is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and as you can see, I think we already see a setup here. This is on the daily chart, daily time frame I mean, and I think it's very clear. So I think this there's a support here which was resistance. It was first resistance, then the candles broke through, pushed higher, came back, and it created a support here. So this technically this is support. So we're gonna stretch this rectangle over here. Yeah. So my bias for GBP USD right now would be I will be looking to buy. Let's drop down to the 4 hour. No, let's go to the 2 hour so that we can like hurry up. So as now this is very clear. This is very clear. As you can now you see this support. See the way the market comes to this area, to this support area, and then basically reacts of it, bounces off. It's very clear. So this is our support, guys. So if I'll be looking for a buy position right now, targeting at least a 1-to-2 ratio. I think that's very fair for me. So yeah, let's first drop down to the 15 minutes and see if there's any consolidation going on, because you just don't want to enter like that. There might be consolidation at that point and we don't know. We might get stopped out. So you see, guys, this is the 15 minutes time frame, and yeah, I think this market is going to continue to go up until this point. So I'll wait to see if this candles close above below this point. If this candle closes below this point, then I'll not be entering my buy positions. But my bias is bullish, so I'm going to place my chart there. I'm gonna mark it. So my stop loss, I don't like placing type stop losses, because getting stopped out, the typed stop loss is very easy, and risk management is key. So that's my take profit. I don't know how many points is that. That is about 1,000 points, I think. So yeah, this is my outlook for today. So if any of you guys is watching, this is definitely a trade to take, because as you can see, this candle, it's like it wants to bounce off this sort of, see this area over here was a resistance at first. Market came, met a little bit of resistance, pulled back to the downside. So this is like support. This is like the strongest support here. So went back up, broke through that resistance, went up, pushed to the upside, and now it's retracing. So I expect the market to like bounce back, and this will be our take profit. Yeah. But if you want to enter this trade, guys, just make sure to use proper risk management. Don't go full margin and blow your account and everything. That will be very sad. Yeah. So that is the trade for me. That's the trade I'm entering. But I can't show you how I'm going to be placing my trades, because the account I'm using right now, I normally use MetaTrader to place my trades. So I really can't show you how these trades will be going, but I've already entered. So let me see how many pips the PNL that I have right now. Currently I'm in drawdown, but hopefully we're pulling back up. Minus $55. So yeah. So let's look at other markets. Pull back to the daily time frame. So I'm gonna look at I don't normally trade gold, but I think gold is very risky for me. And also I have a secret to share with you guys. Anybody who trades US 30. So let me show you guys what I normally do. When like news or news and everything. So let's go US 30. Search for US 30. So yeah, this is it. US 30. There's normally a secret. I don't know if you guys know about this, or maybe your mentors have taught you about this, but this is what I normally do. Let me show you guys real quick. So I think you guys have noticed that US 30 normally has these sort of spikes when there are news events or something like that. It's not even a must to be news events, but there are normally spikes that normally happen. So when you are trading US 30, just watch out for these spikes, because US 30, when these spikes happen, there's normally 100 I think 95% chance that when these spikes happen, either to the upside or to the downside, the markets in US 30 will always retrace back to where it started. So like, I want to show you an example, guys. Like there was a trade I caught last week. I think it was the same thing, a spike. Then I caught the retrace down. So yeah. I think it was this one. Yeah, this was it. This was the spike. So I couldn't enter this trade because it caught me. I found this trade while it was already in pips up. I found this trade here. I left it to run. And I think it was chasing this liquidity here, sort of resistance thing. So yeah, then I didn't like immediately enter the trade. I waited for one candle to close below. So you see, close. This is where I entered the trade. I showed it this, entered the trade over here. Went it into drawdown for a little while, but came out, took profits. My stop loss was just about this week. I was targeting this low. This was the low I was targeting. This was the low I was targeting. And we broke through, guys. So you see, that was a very clean entry, very clean trade. I was not in, if it was drawdown, I was in drawdown for barely 2 hours, I think. It was not much time, but yeah, you see. So there's also this pattern I want to show you guys. For those people who say that patterns don't work, see this pattern here? I think, what is this called? I think it's like inverted. Inverted what? Inverted what? Inverted W or something like that. Let me see. It's a double top. Yeah, this is a double top. See, if you were in your start, probably last week, I think you'd have caught this. So it's very clear. This is a very clear one. A very clear trade. So this is a double top. See, on top here. Yeah. See. So in case you ever like see these kinds of setups and you are not sure what to do, just normally have to wait for these candles to break through these supports, wait for the break to happen, and then you enter when the candle has closed below that. Like you see, I would have entered here if I took this trade, but I did not. I did not take this trade because I was not looking at US 30 at that time. Yeah, this would have been a really good short position here. Enter right here, stop loss just above the wick of this candle, just above here, just above that wick. The target a 1-to-2 ratio, just a 1-to-2 is enough. Yeah, I would be targeting this low right here. just to be safe. I don't want to go like swing short, you know. That will really have messed us up. See, that this is the lower that I'll be targeting. See, there's liquidity here. Like that's the lowest. And so if I were in this trade, that's the point I would be targeting. And you see, market came right through, broke through that, sweep that, took profit, get hit. Yeah, very nice trade. Let's look at US 30. What is US 30 doing right now? I can see there's a little bit of consolidation. Been consolidating here for a while now. We drop down to the 15 minutes and see what's up. See what's up with the US 30, the Dow Jones. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely a support area. As you can see, this is definitely a support area. So, as this the indicators that I use, I don't know if you can see them. I use liquidity strings and the four colored order systems. So, I think this is the support. If you mark this out real quick, you can see this candle came, bounced back, came, then shot upwards. I think this was midnight or something. Then retraced back. I told you this thing, guys, about Dow Jones, US 30. When there is a spike like this, you see this spike? Yeah, this spike was really shit. This was something else. How many points was this? See, when there's a spike like this, US 30 normally tends to 95% of the times at least tends to retrace back. You see, it retraced to the starting point, to where that spike started. You see, so if I was up at that time and I saw this kind of spike, I would definitely have waited and entered during the retracement. You see, so it retraced back, and this should tell you that this is a proper support area. Came back, shot up again. So it doesn't want to break through this support. Shot back, and now we're here. Came back down to this support. Now let's see what it's going to do. So if this candle manages to break and close below this support area, I'll be going short. But if it doesn't, yeah, I'll be going long, targeting this area here. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see. Thanks. The volume is definitely kicking in. So we see. Let's see what's up. I think if you want like to be up, if you trade gold and you normally lose, this US 30 is a pair, like it's similar to gold, but it's way easier to trade because it's like you can see the moves happening in real time and you can react. It's not like gold, too volatile. You can't predict. Yeah. So gold, anyways, gold has been spiking up for the last, I don't know, for the past few months, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, you see, now this is what I was telling you about. This is the proper like support. See, this candle has bounced back. It did not even go below this support. So if I were you, I'd be looking for like a proper buy entry. I'd wait for this candle to close above these three candles. Probably close above here. If it closes above here, then I'll be looking for a buy position. My take profit should be here. Stop loss should be just below this candle. So let's look at gold, guys. I've never, like, it's been a long time since I talked about gold, so let's see. Gold has definitely been on a wild run, a legendary run. Gold. I don't know if gold will like continue like going up, but yeah, I think it's going up. So yeah, this is it might go. This is very gold. Let's see, gold. Let me remove. See, mostly I trade trend lines because like this is what like has kept me profitable for the past like I don't know 2 to 3 years. I used to trade ICT, but I kept losing, so I had to like change my strategy. I'm not saying ICT strategies like ICT traders use doesn't like bring in money or it's not profitable, but I guess it's like the way I was trading. Yeah, so I don't know about that. So let's see. These are definitely a resistance area. Uh, As you can see, so gold will probably come to this point and pull back down. So the highest price that gold reached this year was 3,451. That's a lot. That's a lot. So if I was trading gold, I'd be definitely looking for short positions. This pair. So yeah, let's see how it goes. This is like a proper like resistance. So I'll shoot this. Got my entry over here. Stop loss just above this highest candle over here. That would be my stop loss. That would be where my stop loss is. And guys, one thing I should like probably remind you is like don't normalize putting type stop losses, because most of the time when you put a tight stop loss, it's like you don't like give the market room to like be flexible or play around. So you most probably get stopped out. So just there should be enough room for the stop loss. So this is my bias for gold. If I would be selling, if I would be trading gold today, but I'm not. I'm currently in a long position on GU and short position on EURUSD, and also the same trade that I took on GBP CHF. Yeah, I'm also short on that. So currently my PNL currently is about $5,000. So let's wait. Let's see how these trades play out. Anyways, let's go back to the US 30. Yeah. me show you guys the examples of the spikes that I was talking about on the Dow Jones. So let me show you these spikes that I'm talking about. You see these spikes like this spike to the downside, it immediately like retraced back to the upside. As you can see, immediately to the upside. Came back. This was a spike to the downside, immediately like retraced to the upside. There's many examples I can show you guys, but it will be best if you like go look at the charts yourselves. Try to like study it. So yeah, these spikes. Let's try and look for another spike. Yeah, this was definitely something. See, consolidation. This was like a proper consolidation. And a blackout.
Glad alisemaje?
The reply bado.
The time zone is not time zone. Maybe kwao sign bado